get my story straight. My friends are in the bathroom, getting higher than the Empire State. My lover, she's waiting for me just across the bar. My seat's been taken by some sunglasses, asking about a scar. And I know I gave it to you months ago. I know you're trying to forget, but between the drinks and subtle things, the holes in my apologies, you know, I'm trying hard to take it back. So if by the time the bar closes and you feel like falling down, I'll carry you home tonight. And you feel like falling down, I'll carry you home tonight.
Okay guys, hello, we just made a video.
Hindi.
Yes, hindi tayo gumawa ng video, sobra. Oo nga, di talaga halata gawa kami ng video pinaghanda. Diba, pinaghandaan pa namin, mukhang hindi namin pinaghandaan eh. Oo, pibitin talaga eh. Teka lang, sadali. Ang init, wait lang. Okay, yun. Pasensya na kung hindi ko makapato. Kahit sobrang init kailangan kasi kasama na sa props.
Pasensya na po mga pagmumukha namin.
Yes, masisira yung camera eh, alam ko. But anyways, eto na, kasi inaantok na ito kapatid ko at ako manonood pa ako ng Screen 4 kasi hindi ko pa doon napapanood. Siya matutulog na. But anyways, guys, to the three of you, happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Yeah, kahit yung isa sa inyo na ang birthday pa July 8, pinagsama na namin para hindi sayang sa memory ng camera.
Mahal na mahal namin kayo!
Yes, for Bea, 17 years old ka na. Magiging 17 na rin ako this August. Kaya nga song yung We Are Young dahil kailangan na natin enjoy yung teenage years natin. Okay? Tama ba, Dayan?
Hindi.
Ay, hindi. Binara pa ako ng kapatid ko. Ang sakit nun! Well, anyways, Bianca.
Hi, Bianca.
Hey, Bianca.
I miss you na.
Miss ka na niya. Dapat mag-bonding tayo. Ay, si mama talaga. Joke lang Kailangan mag-bonding tayo 4. Kundi,
Dapat.
nako. Ay, nako. We won't enjoy that we are young. Kasi pagdating natin ng 18 tayo lahat, wala na. Puro trabaho na. Wala na lahat.
Baka 20.
Hindi, ulul. Sabihin natin, 18. Ay, nako. Pag 18 ka na, we are young. Free ka na nga. Makakainom ka pa. Bongga.
Talaga?
Pero, ay, nako.
PBB
Oo, PBB Teens talaga. Okay? So,
Last but not the least.
yes,
hindi
last
ka
but not the least, di na halata sa katawa, kabay kay Kim ko deep inside. Hi, Wami.
Hi.
Kaya we are young yung pinili namin kasi wala na, 18 ka na. So, hindi mo na may enjoy yung pagiging adult ka na eh. Kami may enjoy pa namin kasi ako last teenage years ko pa. So, 1 year ko pa may enjoy. Ay, nako, Wami. Basta, ang advice ko lang sa inyo, enjoy life and yeah, sa atin, siguro Bea, ako, tsaka tayo dalawa, 1 taon na lang bago tayo maging 18, katulad ni Wami. So, yun nga. Yan. Tapos, Wami, get a job, please. Yeah, I know, right? That will be the best birthday gift that you'll give to me next August. Okay? Just do your best. Do your best for your family. And they're waiting for you here. Oh my God, it's just...
Ang pag-ibig nga naman. Just
Pimitis agad-agad. Pag-ibig, di ba pwedeng...
yun lang.
Okay, Zea, or Bea for short, we love you so much. We've been waiting for this for a whole long time, and this is weird. And oh my God,
This
it's
is our
really like an
first
assumption.
time. This is our first time making a video.
A crazy video.
Yeah,
actually.
fuck this too.
Oh, you're saying bad words and we'll upload this on YouTube.
Sorry.
That sucks. Okay, anyways, Bea, enjoy life. Just like me, we'll have to enjoy our lives. Okay? Bianca?
Ako, Diyos ko.
So long we get young.
Yeah!
So hot, so free.
Basta, happy birthday sa inyo.
Yeah.
Miss na namin
Guys,
kayo.
I love you so much. Wami, I love you very much. Do it for your family or maybe do it for me. Let me be an inspiration when you find a job, maybe. And for Bea, keep on studying. I know you have a best future there and everywhere than me. We both have the best future. And Bianca,
Love you,
so
Bea.
long we get young. So
Pagpasensya na po, may sayad na po
yeah,
kapatid ko ngayong gabi.
Okay, give us the flowers and everything else. Okay?
Ulit, happy birthday.
1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday to you.
Hey! Hey!
Happy birthday to you.
Hey! Hey!
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Hey, hey. Okay, guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
See you
Happy
soon
birthday.
ulit.
See you soon.
Mama, chup chup.
Okay. Mwah, mwah, mwah.